if you want to enable and set up mobile hotspot on OnePlus 15, then in this case we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna go to the mobile network, and in here we have the personal hotspot. We want to go over here, and of course if you want to enable and disable the hotspot, we can just simply tap on this switcher. When it's enabled, you can generate this QR code that you can use in order to immediately connect on another device without having to enter the passwords to the network. Of course, we can set up the network by going to hotspot settings. In here we can change the name, the password. Of course, if you made any changes, remember to press the save button. And also we have advanced settings like the Wi-Fi 6, the AP band, and so on. And we also have the option to automatically turn off the hotspot after 10 minutes if no device is connected. So that is pretty much it. Of course, if we go to quick settings or the control center, then in here we should also be able to find the personal hotspot, and of course we can tap on this button in order to turn on and off the hotspot. We can also tap on the text in order to find some information about the hotspot. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.